make this flower, first I have to use a cotton yarn and 3.5mm hook. Then first I have to make a slip knot. 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slip a stitch into first chain here, insert the hook and the slip a stitch. Then chain 1, a single crochet into this ring. Now 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Another single crochet into this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Another single crochet into this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Another single crochet into this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Another single crochet into this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then a slip a stitch, top of first single crochet here, another slip a stitch just for safety, and just cut this yarn like this, exactly. Remove this yarn here too. Now I got this. Now I have to make a slip knot first. Then insert the hook into this 5 chain space. Grab this loop, slip a stitch, first single crochet, insert the hook into this and loop a loop, then single crochet, then yarn over and make 4 double crochet. 1, yarn over another double crochet, 2, yarn over another double crochet, 3, yarn over another double crochet, 4, now here 2 chain, 1, 2, a single crochet into this 5 chain space, 2 chain, 1, 2, yarn over and 4 double crochet into this 5 chain space, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then I have to make 1 single crochet into this 5 chain space. So here exactly like this. Then just repeat into next. So I have to hide this 2 yarn here, insert the hook into next and make 1 single crochet. Then yarn over and 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then 2 chain, 1, 2, a single crochet, then 2 chain and 4 double crochet here, 1, these 2 yarn here, exactly, I have to remove them. I made 1 yarn over, 2, 3, 4, then a single crochet like this exactly, and just repeat it for next. A single crochet into next, yarn over 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now here 2 chain, 1, 2, a single crochet into this, yarn over, and double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, then a single crochet into this, so now here like this exactly, insert 1 single crochet, yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 chain, a single crochet, then 2 chain, 1, 2, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I have to make a single crochet, and here like this. So here exactly like this. Then the last one here, 1 single crochet, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 chain, 1, 2, single crochet, 2 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last single crochet here. I just repeat this pattern, and now here after the last one, slip stitch into top of first, single crochet, another slip stitch,